Okay, so let's do part 3 of our normal distribution. In the first two videos, we did the basics and I tried my best to teach you those. Now let's do some practice. So this is Jan 2014 sum. Question number 6, A part. I said you guys should do it, but some of you guys were not able to. So here is the explanation. So a manufacturer has a machine that fills bag with flour such as weight of the flour in a bag is normally distributed. Weight of the flour is normally distributed. A label states that each bag should contain 1 kg of the flour. Fine. The machine is set that the weight of the flour on the bag has a mean of 1.04 and standard deviation of 0.17 kg. Now, find the proportion of bags that weighs less than the stated weight of 1 kg. So you see this bag here is normally distributed, right? So this bag here is normally distributed. So let me draw a diagram. Always draw a diagram. Always. Okay. So they said the mean is 1.04 and it should have at least 1 kg. Okay. It should have, the mean is supposed to be 1.4, 1.04, but it should not have less than 1 kg because then, let's face it, if the consumer protection people are then they'll come and then they'll fine you. They're like, at least minimum 1 kg thakte hobe. The machine should be set in that way. Yes, there is always going to be some kind of error. Yeah, let's say you're making 100 bag, maybe from 100 bag 2 bags where you got less than 1 kg. So you have to decrease those probability. Na? So now they're asking you, according to this setting, how much, what is the probability of you getting less than 1 kg? So we are looking for this shading over here. Is this understood? What I'm trying to say? The diagram part you guys understood? So can I do your probability of your rice, okay, x being less than 1 minus 1.04 divided by 0.17. Is this understood? What I did here right now? This step?
Yeah.
Tell me.
The whole curve itself is 1.04, right?
No.
Like
The
till the
mean,
end.
no, says who? The mean, what is the middle line? This middle line is mean, right? You know that, right? This line means
Yeah.
mean, yeah. So what did they
Okay.
say mean as 1.04? So this is 1.04. So where will your 1 be? Here, na? Because 1 is less than
Yeah.
1.04.
Okay. Okay.
Yes. So we
All
want
right.
anything less than 1. Okay, now how much are we getting? We are getting probability of x less than, how much is 1 minus 1.04 divided by 0.17 in your calculator? What is the value? Tell me. 1 minus 1.04 divided by 0.17. Hello?
Minus 0.23.
Minus 0.
235
Minus
or 24.
0.23. How much is it, Aisha? How much is it, by the way?
Minus
23.
0.2352 and it continues.
Okay, so let's take minus 0.23 now. So 0.2352. Let it be 0.24. Okay, so now it's minus, right? As I said, if you see my videos over there, it was there. Since it's minus, you can bring it plus. They are looking for this 0 minus 0.24, right? With mirror image, symmetrical nature, you can bring it here. Okay, so it becomes 0.24. Clear? Now we are looking for this, so therefore we are also looking for this. Yeah, because see, they both are same. Whatever probability you will get here, same probability also you're going to get here as well. So what I can do is, we can ignore the left hand side for the time being. Probability, we can find this probability first, less than 0.24, because that is easily available in our table. Less than 0.24. Acha, in your table, if you want, I can open the table here itself. In the table which you guys have right now, how much is less than 0.24? Let me pause the recording. Okay, so here is the table. We are looking for less than 0.24. How much is it? 0.5927. So I'm going to write. So this is 0.5927, right? 0.5927. How much will this be? 1 minus 0.5927. Clear? So 1 minus 0.5927. 27.
5948 na?
How much is it? Tell me.
0.5948.
Is it 0.24 or 25? Okay, 0.5948 then. Yeah, 0.5948 then. 0.5948. Shoaib বুঝছে এটা? Minus করে। এখন আমাকে বলো how much is 1 minus 0.5948? Tell me. Hello.
0.4052.
0.4052. So that is the probability, 0.4052. So there is a chance of 0.4052 to get a rice bag which is less than 1 kg. 1 kg. Now let me see the mark scheme and then confirm the answer. Okay, so the answer was correct, 0.4052. Fine. Now I'll give you guys chance. Next one. You know what? Next one even let me do. I feel like you guys will not be able to do it. Okay. So let's go to the next question. What they said. B part. Now the manufacturer wants to reduce this probability. Okay, because 0.40 is a very high probability, to be honest. Okay. The manufacturer wants to reduce the number of bags which contain less than stated weight of 1 kg. At first, she decides to adjust the mean. Okay, so she's deciding to adjust the mean now. So the mean is going to change, but not the standard deviation. So standard deviation will be like before, 0.17. So that only 5%. 5% mane hoche the probability is 0.05. Remember that. Okay, I got a visitor. Wait, let me pause the recording. Okay, so what is the meaning of 5%? I said to you guys, 5% means 0.05 is your probability. Somebody came. Yeah, who is this? Wait. Okay, so now, so only to get a 1 bag, it has to be out of 100. Let's say only 5 bags should have less than 1 kg. So that's your key condition now. You told to the operator or someone that I want only this much to happen, this much bags to be there. Less than that, if you are getting more than bag, I'm going to sue you guys, or I'm going to the people will find me. Then the government will find me if I'm giving so much less rice to the people. Combinator reputation asana. So now let me draw the diagram for you all. So if I draw the diagram, clear? So they said it should be 1 kg should be only less than 0.05. So your 1 kg should be over here, but your mu has been adjusted now. Your mu has been adjusted now. So mu, I don't know what is it. Okay. Now this is 0.05. This is how much? This is 0.05. Okay, now. So can I do mu minus, sorry. Can I do 1 minus mu divided by 0. How much was it? 0.17, na? 0.17. Okay. So they are saying that your Z being less than the 1 kg should be equal to 0.05. The problem is this part is negative. Problem is this part is negative. We have to mirror image and shift it to the positive side. So if I do this, so there is some value here. We don't know what value is it. Okay, this is your mu. It has to give you more than 0.05 according to this, because what did I do? I mirror imaged it. This mirror image part you guys understood, na? Because left hand side we can never find it, by the way. You have to always mirror image and bring it on the right hand side. Remember that? I think I already mentioned that in the video itself. Understood or not? How 0.05 came from the left hand side to the right hand side? Clear?
Clear.
Okay. Now this is greater than. See, whenever in greater than you get such values like 0.01, 0.05, you always look for the greater than table. There is a very small table, but there is probability 0.05. They said, do you have 0.05 probability? Yes, you do. And in 0.05, what's your small z value? 1.6449. So what you can do, this is how you would write. 1 minus, you will no longer write this. You will write 1 minus mu divided by 0.17 is equal to 0.16449. 0.16449. Is this understood, everyone? Because greater than, we are taking greater than. Shopshow less than never darkar nahi to. Don't take this table all the time. Sometimes your probability, when your probability is almost accurate, like this 0.005, 0.0005, like that, these kind of stuffs, you always go for greater than table. And can you see my graph here is also greater than, probability is greater than over here. What is the value I'm getting? Value I'm getting is 1.6449, but it has to be negative. Why? In actual reason, this value here is over here. It's on the left hand side. So your value should be a negative value. Now all of you find the mu for me. Okay, do it on your own. I have a voice note to listen to. Do it now. So the answer is 1.28. Okay, so mu you got us 1.28. So that means if you maintain your mean to be 1.28, then the chances of you getting any rice sack over here less than 1 kg is very less, around 5%. Fine, let's do the next one. Now the manufacturer finds that a lot of bags are overflowing. Now he's having a bit of loss because now the mean has increased now, so most of the bags are overflowing with this thing. So let me just add another page over here. Page, add, paste. Okay, so the manufacturer finds that a lot of bags are overflowing with the flour. When the mean is adjusted, so decides to adjust the standard deviation instead of making the machine more accurate. Now the machine is set back to a mean of 1.04 kg. Fine. Okay, so the manufacturer wants 1% of the bags to be under 1 kg. Now the same thing, but now he wants 1% of the bag. This is exactly like before sum only. Okay, so you're going to draw it. Mean is 1.04. Okay, but he wants to change the standard deviation so that only 1% should be less than 1 kg. Okay, but this is 1.04. Okay, this is 1.04. So let's see that 1 kg minus 1.04 divided by sigma. Okay, this is sigma. So your z being less than that should be how much? 0.01. Clear? Now again I'm saying with mirror image you can bring this 0.01 key over here on the right hand side. Okay, so this is 0.01. So now again it is greater than 1, greater than this number. It is greater, but again it's a good number. Can you see it's a normal number? Okay, so 0.01 greater than a ase kina check karo tumra. 0.01. Yes, it is there. And how much is it? 2.3263. So, but it has to be minus 2.3263. 2.3263. Why? Because your actual 0.01 is over what? Here. That is the reason. So it has to be what? Minus 2.3263. Minus 2.3263. Fine. So can we do 1 minus 1.04 divided by sigma is equal to minus 2.3263. And after this, you guys can do on your own. Pause the recording, please. I'm pausing the recording. You guys do it on your own. Okay, so the answer is matching. Answer is 0.0172. Okay, then let's go to the next question now. Now, next question you guys will try on your own. At least A part, please try for me. B part and C part, I'll explain it to you. Please A part do for me. 3 marks on your own. Resume recording. So we're doing another question right now. This is Jan 2016. Let me do the A part. So where is it? Okay, fine. Yeah, so here it is. Let's do. They said find the probability that the hives. Okay, what is happening? Rosie keeps some bees. Okay, the amount of honey in kg produced by the hive of Rosie's bees in a season is modeled by a normal distribution. Okay, with a mean of 22 kg and the standard deviation of 10 kg. Okay, now so they give you everything. Find the probability that a hive of Rosie's bees produces less than 18 kg of honey. Find that. So 18 kg of honey. Okay, what is the mean? 22. So less than 18 kg. So 18 kg will be somewhere over here. So we have to find what is the probability of this, right? So can we write probability of Z less than 18 minus 22 divided by 10? How much is it? We have to find that. Okay. So the probability of Z less than, how much is 18 minus 22 divided by 10?
Minus 0.4.
Minus 0.4. Okay. So again 18 as a tomar. Okay, minus 0.4. But the problem is 0.4 is over here on the left hand side. Okay, remember whenever we convert it to the আমরা এখানে 18 টাকে 0.4 এ convert করে দিছি না, so here your mean is 0, remember that. So this is 0.4, but I don't want this, I want this part, so I can bring it this side. I can make it positive 0.4. Acha, what I can do now is I can find less than 0.4 in my from my big table. Okay, less than 0.4. So less than 0.4 is 0.6554. So this red color thing is 0.6554. This is going to be 1 minus 0.6554. So your answer is 1 minus 0.6554, and that will be your answer. How much is it?
$0.345.
0.345. So 0.345. So what is the probability of getting less than 18 kg is 0.345. Fine. It is 0.345, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So A part you guys understood now. Now try doing B part. I know B part is going to be a bit complicated. I just want to see, like, maybe I'll give you guys 2 minutes. Just let me know immediately if you guys don't know how to do it. Now, the local beekeepers club award a certificate. So they have this organization who gives them certificate based on how much bees they, how much honeys they have produced, you know, more than 39 kg. So they will give you a certificate if your honey is around 39 kg of honey in a season, and a medal to every hive that produces more than 50 kg in a season. Given that one of Rosie's beehive is awarded a certificate. Okay, so they said given that. Now given that probability, you guys should remember all this probability thing I taught you guys in given a probability chapter. Okay, so let me show you guys that in detail. Given that mean key. Okay, so given that Rosie's beehives is awarded a certificate. Okay, so they are saying that given that she is given a certificate, what is the probability she is getting a medal? So you guys remember probability of getting a medal intersection certificate divided by probability of certificate. Do you guys remember this? Everyone? Just given that concept from your probability chapter? Online. I want acknowledgement from you guys.
Yeah.
Done. Okay, so in that case, let us find what is the probability of getting a certificate. Okay, so let's find what is the probability of getting a certificate. Okay, when do you get a certificate? If you produce more than 39 kg. Okay, that means 39 kg is the limit. So what was the mean? Mean, this thing is what is it? 22 kg is the mean, and this is 39 kg. So 22 kg is mean, and this is how much? 39 kg. So let it be here. Understood? So we have to find more than 39 kg. You know what? More than 39 kg, you guys will find for me and keep it. What is the probability of getting more than 39 kg? Find it for me. I'll pause the recording. Okay, so let me do it for you all. Let's find Z less than 39. You guys do this for me first of all. Probability of Z less than. 39 minus 22 divided by 10 করলে কত পাচ্ছ তোমরা? How much you guys are getting? 39
1.7.
so answer is not 1.7. Z less than 1.7. Go to the table.
Yeah, that's what.
Yeah, you didn't do it. How much is it?
Yeah.
0.9554.
I know beforehand only you said 1.7 Havana. I was like, what the heck?
No, 1.7 I said probability হবে না। I told you to find the probability, right? 0.9554. So find the probability. 0.9554, but that is for less than 39. We are looking for this now, but this is what we want. So what will it be? 1 minus 0.9554. How much is it? What is the probability of getting less than 39? 1 minus
0.04.
0.0
0.045.
45. Yeah, clear?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Okay, now this is probability of what? Probability of getting a certificate. What is the probability of getting certificate? 0.045. Now let us learn what is the probability of getting a medal. Now let's learn what is the probability of getting a medal. So how do you do that? Let me show you guys. Please notice. So if you are going more than 39, you are getting a certificate. So this is probability of getting a certificate. When do you get a medal? When you go more than 50 kg. So your 50 kg is over here. Now let me change the color. So your 50 kg is somewhere over here, for example, because more than 39, so 50 kg. So this is the probability of getting 50 kg. Can you see in this particular area, both the lines have intersected? Both red line and black lines have intersected. Butsa? Shabai?
Explain again, bro.
In this particular area, both the lines have intersected. Can you see 39? Okay, red lines are greater than 39 kg and black lines are greater than 50 kg. What are we looking for? We are looking for probability of getting a medal. You can see probability of getting a medal area is actually M intersection C. Yes or no? Because যে medal পাইছে এ তো already certificate পেয়ে গেছে. He already got the certificate. Yes, those who got the medal. Because after getting the certificate only you will get the medal. Yes or no? So can you see this is the area where both medal and C and the certificate is intersecting each other? Yes or no? Aisha, Nadir, Imu?
Yes.
Imu, বুঝছো? So আমি যদি probability of medal find করি, if I'm finding probability of medal, it is indirectly probability of medal intersection C, which I need over here, which I need in my formula. PC we already got. We want M intersection C, na? So that's what I did. So let us find greater than 50 then. Okay, you guys find greater than 50 for me. Because if you find greater than 50 kg, that is M intersection C. Remember that. Find greater than 50 kg for me, guys. Come on. I'll pause the recording. Guide karo. Let's do it over here. Yeah. So probability of, let's say, upar Z this na, let this be Y. Y less than 50 minus 22, was it? Divide by 10. How much is it? Y less than 50 minus 22 divided by 10 koto?
2.8.
2.8. So Y less than 2.8, if you do it in your calculator, it's 0.9974. So 0.9974, right? Now you have to do 1 minus 0.9974. Koto astase?
0.0026.
0.0026. 0.0026, yeah?
Yep.
Fine then. Good. Okay. So this is the one you got? You guys got? Everyone else got the same answer, na? Aisha, Imo?
Yes.
Chalo then. Now you got M intersection C, you got C. Just do M intersection C 0.0026 divided by probability of 0.05. You will get your answer, because that's what we are looking for. Given that he gets a certificate, what is the probability he's going to get a medal? Okay, so equals to M intersection C, which is 0.0026 divided by probability of C, which is 0.045. Do this in your calculator. I'll pause the recording and see the mark scheme. You guys got this as the answer, guys?
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, fine then. So let's go to the next one now. Now it's a 6-mark question. Imagine it's a big one. So they said Sam keeps the bees. Okay, also keeps bees. Sam, there is another person is there, Sam. The amount of honey in kg produced by hive of Sam bees in a season is modeled by a normal distribution, okay, with a mean mu kg and the standard deviation, okay, and a standard deviation of sigma kg. So they did not give us anything. Now mu this and a sigma this. The probability that a hive of Sam bees produces less than 28 kg, okay, of honey in a season is 0. So and so. ঠিক আছে? Less than 28 kg. বলে দিছে ওরা আমাকে। Only 20% of the Sam's beehives produces less than 18 kg. Okay, so they gave us 2 information and 2 unknowns are there. 2 information আছে, 2 unknown আছে. Okay, so we have to find it. How? Let's make equations of these 2 information that they provided us with. Okay, so let us learn it. Here. There you go. Okay, Ajay, do you guys want to give it a try, by the way, or no? Let's talk about the first information. They said that less than 28 kg, the probability is 0.8413. So what does this mean? I have no idea what does this mean. Okay, so if his mean is that, এটা কি আর কি বলছে 28 kg বলছে, তাহলে ভাইয়া 28 kg টা কি here or here? Look at the probability. Probability অনেক বেশি, মানে 0.5 এর থেকে বেশি. So definitely it has to be here. 0.8413 should be over here. Clear? It has to be somewhere over there only. বুঝছো কিনা বলো? Okay, so let's see what they wrote. Probability of, let's say, XYZ. Okay, Z less than 28 minus mu divided by sigma 6 naida sigma, okay, sigma equals to 0.8413. Now how much is 0.8413? Let's see that. তুমি probability check করো, এখানে probability check করবে 0.8413 মধ্যে 0.8413. how much is it? Check 1. So can you write this? A probability আর লেখার দরকার নাই, z আর লেখার দরকার নাই. Can you write this? 28 minus mu divided by sigma is equal to 1. So that means 28 minus mu is equal to sigma. Clear or not everything, guys?
Yes.
Okay, this is your equation number 1. This is my equation number 1. Let's go with the equation number 2. Only 20% of the Sam's beehive produces less than 18 kg. Okay, 20%. 20% মানে কি 0.2 বলছিলাম, পার্সেন্টেজ কে ডিভাইড বাই 100 করতে হয় সব সময়. So only 20% is producing less than 18 kg. So let's say your 18 is over here, because if your 18 is here, then only this becomes 0.2. Is that clear, guys? Your 18 should be left hand side. Understood or not?
Yeah, bro. Understand.
Cool.
Yeah.
Cool. Okay, after that what happens? Check. You can bring this. How much is you are getting, by the way? You will get 18 minus mu divided by sigma probability, how much is it? Okay, now can you see this 0.02? It can be here also, na? Because I told you, na, left hand take right hand anta hoy. This is greater than, na? Okay, wait, I'm pausing the recording. Okay, sorry. Now you can bring this 0.02 over here. Why? Because this probability is on the left hand side. We can never find a value on the left hand side. We have to find a value on the right hand side. Okay. Oh yeah, by the way, this is 0.2, right? Now you see we can find greater than. You see greater than option is there right now with me. So let's go to the next one. 0.2 greater than probability kutao ase ki na? Yes, it is there. Greater than amount. What is it? 0.8416. Okay, but instead of writing 0.8416, I will write minus 0.8416. Why? Actually, your this value is on the left hand side. Clear? So 18 minus mu is equal to minus 0.8416 sigma. Okay, this is equation number 2. So I hope all of you got both the equations. Now you guys will find mu and sigma for me. I'll pause the recording. Start with this. Okay, so what are the values of sigma and mu you guys got so that I can compare it with the mark scheme? What is mu and what is the sigma? Finish it.
Mu is 18.841.
18.841 mu. And what is sigma? How much is sigma?
9.158.
9.1582.
1582.
Everybody got the same values. What he got?
No, amata different as this.
Okay.
I got
So,
mu different.
Tomata different. Okay, Aisha, what is the one you got then?
Mu হচ্ছে 22.57, sigma হচ্ছে 5.431.
5.431. What about you, Imu? What did you get?
Mu is minus 35.13.
Okay, let me just pause the recording and see the marks. Resume the recording. Okay, so started the recording. So what I would suggest you guys, you guys made some mistake here, but yeah, this is the answer. Try it. These equations are also correct, by the way. This is your one equation. This is another equation. Okay. So I will end the class now. And homework is next Tuesday. You guys will do rest of the question from this file and come from at least 5 questions from here. Next 5 questions. Nadir, Imu, clear? Imu, Nadir, clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay then.
Yes, sir.